Imagine this. You suddenly inherit $10,000, no strings attached. What would you do with it? Today, we're running a fascinating experiment. We're giving the exact same $10,000 to four different generations: baby boomers, Gen X, millennials, and Gen Z, and watching how differently they choose to spend or invest it. This is generational money habits simulation. Let's dive in. Number one, baby boomers. First up, baby boomers. Born between 1946 and 1964, boomers grew up in an era where money meant stability. Debt was scary and safety was everything. So, what do they do with $10,000? They'd likely put it into a certificate of deposit, something safe, steady, guaranteed. Or they'd use it to pay off a mortgage or loan early because nothing feels better than being debt free. For boomers, it's not about high returns, it's about peace of mind. Their motto: protect what you've earned. Number two, Gen X. Next, we've got Generation X, born between 1965 and 1980. This group is right in the middle of careers, mortgages, raising kids, and planning for retirement. With $10,000, a Gen Xer might max out their Roth IRA, contribute to their kids' college fund, and maybe use a little bit for home improvements or even a family vacation. They balance responsibility with enjoyment. They've seen recessions, layoffs, and market crashes, so they're careful, but they also know life's too short not to enjoy. Number three, millennials. Now let's talk about the millennials, born between 1981 and 1996. They've been hit with student loans, rising rents, and the gig economy. For them, $10,000 is a chance to get ahead. Some will put it toward paying down student loans. Others will invest in index funds or ETFs for long-term growth. And quite a few will use it to start a side hustle or small online business. But millennials also value experiences. A portion of that money might go toward travel or lifestyle upgrades. Their mindset is reduce debt, grow wealth, but don't forget to live. Number four, Gen Z. And finally, Gen Z. Born between 1997 and 2012, they're the youngest money managers in the game. They've grown up with crypto, TikTok finance gurus, and investing apps at their fingertips. So, what do they do with $10,000? Half might go straight into crypto or high growth stocks, some into launching a personal brand, clothing line, or social media hustle, and the rest maybe gear to level up their TikTok or YouTube content. Gen Z is bold. They don't just want to save money, they want to multiply it fast. Their motto: high risk, high reward, and build your own brand. Number five, climax. So here's the big takeaway: same $10,000, four generations, four completely different choices. Baby boomers protect wealth. Gen X plan for family and retirement. Millennials balance debt, growth, and experiences. Gen Z take risks and chase entrepreneurship. Money is the same, but mindset changes everything. Now, let me ask you, if you had $10,000 handed to you today, what would you do with it? Would you play it safe like the boomers, plan like Gen X, balance like the millennials, or go bold like Gen Z? Drop your answer in the comments and let's see which generation dominates this experiment. If you enjoyed this financial deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more smart money content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.